Hello all you lovely people and welcome back to my channel Everything Under the Sun, and I am Francisca. As you can see, I have few parcels here from Amazon Lifestyle. So let me quickly show you what are all these products, and let's quickly get started without further ado. Okay, so the first thing, I have opened all the packages because I wanted to check if everything is fine. So this is a very interesting thing. It's a round vase with artificial flowers. So this, I saw it in Amazon, and it was the size that I was looking for, and I'll show you where I'm going to put that. So these are the flowers. Okay, the flowers are not that okay. Few are broken as well, but I think we can fix it. Okay. So these are the flowers that I got, but flowers are not of that good quality, but it's okay to to see, but the quality is okay, it's not that great. And these are the flowers, even if they come out, they can be fixed, so that's a good thing. I'll be fixing it after this video, or maybe I can do it right away. Okay, so I'll be fixing these, and you can see a little hole in that, so you can fix it to these stems. And these are good, okay, but the quality is not that great, but it's good. Okay, so let's move on to seeing the vase. I haven't opened this. I thought I'll open it in front of you guys. Okay, the packaging is really great because these are fragile and it could break easily. Oh, this noise, I hate this noise. Okay, so this is a round vase, I said, and oh, it's really good. The vase is really good. As you can see, it is like a broken pattern. So that's really good. That's something different about this. And there was different colors in these. Actually, it was in white or something like that. But thankfully that I got this little, dark silver. I'm very happy with this. Let's quickly keep our artificial flowers. Oops, I'm a little messy. Okay. So this is how it looks. And the size is pretty small, actually this is the size that I wanted. I'll just show you. So this is a spectacle box. You can see the size here. It is half of the spectacle box, so you can see how you can just quickly think of the size that it is. It's really cute. It's like a small pretty vase with these flowers that's making even more prettier. So I just have to fix 3 of them, I guess. Where is the other one? Okay, maybe inside this. So I'll just keep it inside this. Maybe later after this video I could sort it out. But first impression, it's really good. For people who are skeptical in buying this, please go ahead. But it's little smaller in size. Okay, so this is really cute and very nice. So it comes in pink and yellow flowers. It's really pretty, but it's very small. Again, I'm telling you guys, it's not that big, and I wanted this size. Okay, let's move on to the second product. I'm very happy with Amazon in lockdown. We don't have anything much to do. Like, we do have everything to do, but still they are delivering in terms of lockdown. I was talking. Okay, without further bakwas, and let me tell you something about this. This is a night suit that I purchased from Amazon. I read a lot of bad reviews on this product, but trust me, the first impression is really good. But this is similar. This fabric is similar to the one that I showed you in earlier videos, the blue color one. So what you need to do, I think we need to see a hack. I think we need to dip this first in vinegar water and then remove it, and the material is going to be intact. Okay, for the price that I paid, I'm really happy. It's really looks very comfortable. and again it has a collar and buttons, the similar pattern that I ordered from Flipkart. This is the same. The fabric is really good. I am thankful that I didn't go with the the reviews that I read. And the elastic is pretty good, and the bottom comes with such kind of elastic. It's very, very comfortable. I buy usually a size bigger, so you guys also can go ahead and buy a little if you want to, a little bigger size. But the star and the red color, it's dark red, it's not the flashy red. As you can see, this is exactly the same color that is appearing on the camera. So I'm really happy with this second product that I purchased. Let me keep it aside, not through it. Okay, so this is the third product that I purchased from Amazon, and I purchased earlier one which was of no use. Literally it was like a thin layer. I'm gonna throw it or give it to somebody. Okay, I'm not gonna give it to somebody because why should they suffer? Okay, so this is a facial hairband which I'll be wearing in the next video, because I was looking for something like this that is sturdy. Because hairbands usually slip off from my head, and this is quite sturdy. As you can see, the width, this is very good, and it's pretty soft, and it's very cute looking. Okay, let's move on to the third product, and this is from Lifestyle, and for this I have paid around $3.99. The fabric is velvet, and I was looking for an ankle length velvet legging since a long time. And I always show you budget products. If you come across, like if the product is still there in Lifestyle, please go ahead and buy it. This is just amazing. This is like pure black color. This is velvet. Okay, you can see the shimmer on this. So I just paid around $3.99 for this, and I'm very happy with the product. And it also comes with a broader elastic, like a big elastic where you can hide in all your extra you can hide in all your extra tummy. Okay, it's tummy. So this is the third product. Please go ahead with this product, you will love it. Okay, the last product that I wanted to show you guys quickly is this mustard yellow top, again from Lifestyle, and I just paid $2.99, and it is pretty comfortable. I tried it, and it is mustard yellow color, says happy. And let me show you the product. It is that soft. It's really soft and very comfortable. Again, I ordered a size larger because I like loose fitting, as you guys know. It has these buttons, nothing much. It's just a normal t-shirt with extended sleeves and a pretty print on it. But I think if you use it roughly, this is going to get damaged. But this is very cute. And actually you can wear it on the, on these leggings, since these are ankle lengths, okay. Sorry, since these are ankle length, you can definitely go ahead and wear this, like it is pretty long, so it will fit into this. So these were the products that I wanted to show you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Do like and subscribe. Okay, before we wind up, I'm going to show you where I'm going to place this pretty vase. Let me tell you, the material is glass, so you need to be a little careful. Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you how I'm going to. So this is a small stool that I ordered. I didn't order. I went to the store and bought it. It's there with me since a long time, more than 1 year, and I had placed a ball on this, I think it would go well with this, so I have placed, and it started fading away, and it's time to be replaced with a cute looking vase. It looks lovely. I'm loving the look of this, and this is exactly the size that I wanted. Small and pretty, very nice looking. So this is the place that I wanted to place it, and that's my cot. Next to cot I wanted to place it, and it's really amazing. It's like brightening up the bedroom, and this is how it is. I'll be sharing all the links on the products in the description box. Do check that. Thank you for watching my video. Stay safe and be happy, guys. Bye.